But before we end, we have to definitely give some shout outs, some special thanks for people who are working behind the scenes. I definitely have to give a shout out to CFO of Soul Rebel Productions, Two Tex. Definitely a shout out to the camera crew. And most definitely the audience. Thank you guys for coming. I really appreciate the love. Definitely have to come back next episode. Dub?
Yeah, I mean, I would like to echo similar sentiments. I would first like to thank the entire ownership and staff of Uptown Hookah Bar for allowing us to host this event here, for being with us from First Friday's Caribbean Style. We come here and mash up this thing every first Friday. So thank them. Give them a big round of applause for having us here. Also would like to thank everyone who is in attendance today. This is a new venture of ours, and we have a large vision for Just Reasoning. This is a program which we intend for it to be internationally broadcasted, right? So we're on the ground floor right now. So everyone who came out today, we thank you for it, and everyone who continues to support Soul Rebel Productions, we thank you for that as well. As I mentioned about our vision and the type of things that we want to do, in order to take this program to the levels that we want to take it, covering events and, politics or whatever all across the global Caribbean community, not just here in Houston, in Jamaica, St. Lucia, New York, LA, wherever. For that, it takes more than vision. It takes dollars. It takes a budget. It takes advertising and sponsorship. So this is a special appeal to any businesses represented here today, any organizations who would like to be a part of helping us to fulfill that vision and take this program, which is a benefit for our entire community all across the Caribbean. Just see any one of us after the show, or you can send us an email, advertising@justreasoning.com. And, we need your assistance and your help to take this program to where we need it to go.
Hey, one more thing for me, and then we have to move on because it's a closing show. Definitely yes, he does. This is my thing before I forget, I'm old.
The bleacher doesn't get to come in.
Anyway, for upcoming events, make sure you check out soulrebelproductions.com, jugglersunited.com for all the upcoming events. Go out and support everyone.
I do have a special announcement.
Support First Friday, support Soca Passion, support Goldfinger, Fata, all their events, Fire Call, all of those things. Make sure you come out, support your community. Thank you, Sylvanus, for joining us. One Love Caribbean.
Special announcement.
And Blade, going to you, and we're out of here. Blade, go ahead.
I have a special announcement. You can't cut me off, man.
I cut you off.
First Friday.
Really, I just want to say thanks to everybody for showing. Today is the first episode. Within the first and anything, mistakes are going to be made. The beauty about it is that we will have the opportunity to address everything, go back, watch the tapes, see exactly.
Editing.
That too. That E-word, editing is a good thing.
What are you talking about?
That's it.
Once we grow, like a lot of people wanted to interject, to give their opinions, that coming. Next camera going to set up, next episode, we'll do that. You get the feedback. If you don't like what he's saying, we'll address those.
Unlikely.
Like the nonsense that was coming from the right, we'll address them. And keep it going, so just support it. Log on to the website, soulrebelproductions.com, justreasoning.com. And like I said, this is ours. We might be here, but we're a direct representation of the Caribbean community, the younger generation that's coming up. If we are supposed to be the ones that are stepping in the shoes of, the folks that are going away now, then we have to show that we can. And this is actually what we want to use this stage or this platform to do. So a lot of other topics are going to be covered, from sports, from entertainment, from immigration, which is a huge thing within our community, from employment. Shout out to the Dynamo players for coming through. Enough love. Season tickets, talk to them. They might have hookups. I don't know. Don't endorse it, but they might get a discount. Yes. Shout out to Soca Passion family. Shout out to all of you that move to the events, the Mike Fates, Famous Squad, everybody who do that.
Famous Squad.
Everybody. The Video Man, Sylvanus.
The
Prince,
camera crew,
Your Highness,
the camera crew,
Nick,
thank you. Anyway, thank you guys for coming to the show. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time, next month, Just Reasoning.